So we do have updates on the Aster Season 2 airdrops to be able to go and claim it. So we decided we jump straight into the laptop, make sure to leave a like. But first thing first, I know Aster Season 3 is also coming along and I think it's overfarmed. One project that is not farmed enough in my opinion is Pacifica. Now Pacifica is a closed beta. You can only access with a code, and I do have a link down below limited to about 25 access, so make sure to join. First come, first serve. Make sure to test it out. And it's a Solana blockchain based perpetual DEX. So you deposit from your Phantom wallet. And then, as we see here, you do have a point system already. You need to get at least 10,000 daily volume in order to be eligible for the points. And as we see here, for example, from my referrals, which you did support me, as we see right here, all of these people are eligible for it. People that have less than 10,000 volume, I already tell you, these people, as we see, are not eligible. They don't even get the point. So make sure to come and participate. I do have a long open right now on Aster, which is the token that we're gonna be talking about. Yes, I am in a loss currently. I do have a liquidation price at 168. So let's see. Hopefully it doesn't hit. Let's see if it hits. But make sure to come and join Pacifica because it is a super underfarm one. And if you go and check out over here at DeFi Llama, over on the protocols, or better, the perpetual decentralized exchange metrics, as we see right now, it stands right here at number 6. So Pacifica, in terms of volume, is the sixth larger perpetual decentralized exchange, and they have a confirmed airdrop, but they do not have it done it yet. So make sure to go and farm it. This one already there, lighter, too many people, hyper liquid, oversaturated as well. So make sure to go and join Pacifica right here with a perpetual trading volume in the past 24 hours of 1.269 billion. And it is coming real fast. So make sure to come and join. Link down below. Also, if you want to come and trade my Telegram community, it is free to join. You don't have to pay anything. We have price analysis, technical analysis, and all of that, as we see here on Polygon, HBAR, Aster, Ethereum, XRP link, all the tokens. Link will be down below. Free to go and join. So make sure to come and enter, join Pacifica, and come and share as well your profits over there. But talking about the Aster Season 2, here we have it. So the claiming, when is it, how to do it, etc. So as we see here, today at time of recording this video, if you're watching this video a day later, it's already finished, and we got all the important mechanism. First of all, the stage 3 is going to happen straight at midnight tonight. It's gonna start going to be earned soon, and you have one important understanding to go and do. Spot trading will count for the airdrop season 3. So as we see here, the airdrop checkers opens on October 10th, so I will take you the video then, and the token claim starts on October 14th. So in 1 week, about 1 week, you're able to go and claim the airdrop token. Now, one thing it's super important, you have, as we see here, for the stage 3 goes straight after on it, and stage 3 will last for 5 weeks, ending on November 9th. And as we see here, what's happening on stage 3? Spot trading gets rewarded. Now, currently, when it comes to this, by the way, come and join my team if you still haven't done it. You still can find the airdrop on midnight tonight. Spot trading, as we do have right here, I do have some spot trading, and this one will finally count. All of the spot trading I did, all the token I accumulated, as of right now, on season 2, it didn't count. It was only perpetual volume. But we're going to have spot trading rewards, multi-dimensional scoring updates, symbol-specific boost multiplier, and enhanced team boost mechanism. So these are the key takeaways for this season 3. Stage 3 also introduces a more advanced and balanced scoring system, now open to every trader. A new way to maximize your RH points. As we see spot trading, it's going to happen. Spot trading now counts toward the RH points. Symbol specific boost multiplier, selected symbols, either spot or perpetual, offer additional multiplier that grant extra trade points when traded. So this is one key features. You got the team boost. Again, progress carries on. No more weekly resets. Starting from stage 3, team boost will no longer reset weekly. Now, as we saw it over here, if we go to the reward system, we are at a 1.5x. Now, until now, every week you have to start over. Every month you have to start over with a 1x for everybody. Now, if we get a 1.5x, which my team does, so make sure to come and join them for the season 3, a 1.5x in the first day, it will stay like this forever for the stage 3 airdrop. It's not gonna go down to 1 on a Monday and back up on a Monday afternoon at 1.5. You will have always 1.5. So absolutely super nice. And as we see here, we also got the referral rate adjustment, which basically stays as 10%, which is what we had right now. But you also, this is for the season 2. So the season 2 claiming will happen on October 14th. But before you go, you probably notice if you're watching this video, why is there drama over on Aster and why is the price going down like it is? Now, I did open a long at 2.9 cent. I wish I didn't. It was literally, if I was a bit more patient, I probably wouldn't have opened it if it was like 15 minutes late, if I just had a shower a bit longer. Anyway, it is what it is. But why is it? Well, it's because DeFi Llama is basically accusing Aster of faking the volume. Now, they decided to simply remove it from over here, and it's a lot of crap. Like they Lighter, for example, Lighter is known. Yes, Lighter is gonna come with an airdrop, but Lighter is known to have fake volume over here. There is no way that it's a 6.62 billion volume. And if it is, it's because it's airdrop hyped, because the points are super important on the Lighter airdrop. And fair enough. The same goes with Aster. Aster is super important when it comes to the point, the allocation, and all of that. Then why is it that everything goes falling? So there is a lot of argument and misconception within the crypto space right now on why is this, why is that, and it simply gets delisted. That's why now there's gonna be some other coming in as well, which is super good. We have also GRVT right here on the number 8 spot, which it is super nice to go and see, which we did farm GRVT. Maybe go and check if you're still holding it. But we got a close to 1 billion in 24-hour perpetual volume, which is actually super nice, and it's gonna come as well. But this is the drama that is happening on Aster. If you're wondering why are we seeing this or why are we seeing that, it's simply because DeFi Llama decided to mess up a lot. Now, another protocol that you can also farm, which I will leave you a link, by the way, is the contestant to Aster is Hyperliquid. They're still gonna have a season 2, which I will take you a guide tomorrow evening, I believe. I will take you the second video of the day, a guide on how to farm the Hyperliquid season 2, because there are some updates, but it's very much straightforward. Now, it's an all in all drama show right now. Simply the new kid on the block outperform everybody, and everybody just they are backed by Binance, so it's no surprise. Lighter, on the other hand, is backed by none, and here they give it a dex volume, actually decentralized volume, actually it's 0 today for some reason. So DeFi Llama is just all over the place, being such a reputable source, aside the fact that they are affecting so many people in a way, because people just like me, and people probably put more money than I can afford to lose. They probably got liquidated if they think, oh, I like this project, I want to go long. They probably got liquidated, but they just don't understand what their platform means and all of this drama means. On the other side, it's nice to go and see Pacifica being number 6, which I am farming right here. As we see, we do have the points right here, which is super nice to go and see it at number 6, and also GRVT at number 8. So I'm sure that one can be definitely pushed. But to go and claim the Aster Season 2, it is super easy. You will do it in 1 week. As of right now, you can still already join my team, get a 1.5x boost multiplier as soon as we start the new campaign. Go and farm the airdrop, go and trade, go and make money. And as I said, come and join my Telegram. The link will be down below, which it is free to go and do. But with that said, thank you very much for watching. Let me know what you think of the video, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Ciao, guys.